Absolutely brilliant, Hafsa. So feel free to log in the sense like contribute to the discussion, right? So this is something we are doing it first time, and so let's see how it goes. And I'm also very excited. So this was announced well in ahead, so I'm sure all of you are prepared. So let's see. So shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fabulous. So it's open to, I believe now we have four participants. So great. So welcome participants. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is going to be, which is a group discussion, and the topic is what are the lifeline. So over to you all. Or do you want some time? Maybe a couple of minutes to gather your thoughts. What do you
Yes,
think,
sir.
Sonia? I don't know whether Sharanya is available. Sharanya, what do you think, Anshuna?
Yes, sir. Some more
Okay,
10 minutes. Yeah.
okay. Maybe I'll give you maybe 2 minutes. Sharanya, are you able to hear us? You have some issues with net today, maybe. Are you able to hear us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just another couple of minutes, right? Gather your thoughts, and then you can start doing this particular GD. Okay. So I'm just giving you a couple of minutes. Nikita, that will be fine, right? Hafifa as well. Yeah, I'm giving you a couple of more minutes. So please gather your thoughts so that we can continue this particular task. Okay. Shall we start now? Participants?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nikita, fabulous.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fantastic, Kanchana. Sharanya,
Okay, sir.
okay, brilliant. Hafifa, very good. Okay, let's start. So those who can switch on the camera, please do so. And so let's begin. Someone has to start. Okay, Kanchana, you take the lead. And keep it interactive. Kanchana speaks, then Sharanya can come in, then Nikita can come in, then again Sharanya can come in, then Hafsa can add some point, Hafifa can add some point. So let's, it should be just a discussion, right? As if a group of friends are talking. So it can be like that. Okay, yes.
Okay. Water is one of the most significant resource on this planet. For our daily survival, we need water. About 71% of Earth is covered by water. 70% of human body requires water.
Come on, someone can join in now. Now she has done few of her points, so why not?
All the creatures of the earth needs water for their survival, for drinking, and to any other purpose.
Yes, absolutely. 70% of body fluids is in water. And water is a universal solvent. The molecular formula of water is H2O, as we all studied in our higher classes.
Okay.
H2O means two hydrogen atoms and one molecule of oxygen are bonded. Therefore, it is a universal solvent. And water can be found in three forms: solid, liquid, and gases. Water cools the earth. We cannot even imagine our life without water.
There is no earth without water, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's what I was saying. We need water for everything.
We cannot imagine a world without water. So water is not required for our survival, but for a healthy and happy life as well. So everyone has seen the scenario of water deprived countries like Africa, where citizens are leading a miserable life. So it is time for everyone to wake up and realize the urgency of conserving water.
Since we know the importance of water, we cannot live without water. We shouldn't pollute it.
Okay. Yes, Hafsa, you want to add something to it? What she said, Hafifa? Feel free.
As we know that the world is around almost 70% of the world is surrounded by water, but we can get only 0.03% is something is only available for drinking purpose. So what we are doing is we are using that drinking water only for other purpose like washing vessels, some vessels for the construction of the building, for everything we are using that drinking water only. If we use continuously that water for other than drinking purpose, then that percentage of water will also become empty, and we will not get a single percentage of water also to drink. Then we may have to drink that sea water only. So it's better to start taking the awareness now only.
Okay.
I think out of 71% of water, only 2% is good for drinking, according to the survey.
Yeah, even I read it as 2% somewhere, maybe. And rest all is found in ocean, salty water, which we cannot use for drinking. So we must save water for future generation, not only today, for future generation as well. Every drop of water counts. So use it wisely.
We don't have to save the water. Just plant a tree, and that's it. Rest of the things it will do it.
I think
but
it's
Yeah,
I
please.
think it's the water which makes Earth different from other planets, because we are not finding water in any other planet. So Earth is suitable for human living for this reason.
Yeah, I agree both to Afifa and Kanchana. As Afifa said, yeah, we need to grow more plants. But yeah, you should not waste water.
We
Yeah,
should
that
think
For
about
growing
our
plants,
future generation as well.
if we do not conserve water, if we, before growing plants and all, if we do not conserve water, the world without water would make human race impossible to last, and the same can be said to animals and plants too. In fact, the whole earth will suffer without water. So first we have to conserve water, then we have to plant more trees and all. So firstly, the greenery will soon diminish if water is not there. Then also vegetation will die and turn barren, turn into barren land. So aquatic animals will be taken from them, from their world. Then that means no fishes and whales for us to see. So most importantly, all forms of living organisms will go extinct if we do not conserve water right away.
Yeah, in short, I would like to add for Sharanya's words that no water, no blue, no green.
Actually, it is like a cycle. All need each other. We can't argue that this is important over that one, and this is like that on like that. It is like a cycle, and it is dependent to each other.
Yeah, as rain is a major source of water, rain requires more trees, greeneries. So if there is plants, trees, then only we get rain. If we get rain, then only there is water.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's why water is the lifeline.
Even the plant.
Okay. Great. So any tips you want to give to the listeners in the sense, like I'm listener, Rashmi is listener as well, how we can do on a daily basis to save water? What are the things we can do from our end? I'm just joining in to give some more tip. Looks like you're almost at the stage where you have completed your points. So some thoughts for all the participants. What can man do? What can we do on a daily basis from our end to save water?
Don't waste water.
Recycling of rainwater.
Okay.
And instead of watering the plants fresh water, we can use wastewater as well.
True.
We should minimize the use of water in our daily life
Absolutely.
for washing clothes or vessels like that.
Absolutely. So you want to add something?
Yeah, we people always waste our waste water when we used to brush. We have to turn off water while brushing your teeth, and then taking a short shower all makes us to conserve water, helps us to conserve water.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And also for agriculture, we can promote drip irrigation.
What is drip irrigation? Okay, we will keep it after the thing. I don't know actually.
That one, sprinkling water. So we.
Okay. Okay. I think we lost you. Switch off your camera if you can, so that audio can be heard. Okay, so anyone want to add something last, maybe a few points? How about Hafsa? You came in once, so you can come in once before we... So that's locked off. Okay, that's it. Okay, brilliant. So good. Everybody did well, but somewhere down the line, no, I just wanted to did well. No doubt about that. You did well, and all of you, because group discussion is all like a combination of efforts. So it is not like we are judging one participant. It's like the entire team where you're going to have a kind of an discussion with you. Sharanya, I think you have some net connectivity issue. So when you're talking, you can switch off your, it was all okay, but I don't know what happened suddenly. So if you want to switch on your camera, you can. When you're talking, you can switch off the camera and talk. Maybe today you have some issues. Okay. So did well. So how did you all do? Nikita, start with Nikita. It's a new activity, correct? Because if it is individual activity, you give and go, and then you start talking, and this is a new activity. What did you feel, Nikita?
Yeah, it was good to hear everyone's thoughts.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, so yes, what did you feel, Kanchana?
Even I feel good, sir.
Okay, fine.
Instead of listening one person,
Absolutely.
we are all talking.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, it took a while for you to know this task. If we give the GD again next week, or maybe in another couple of days' time, you know how to interact and all. Initially, what happened is that it took some time. So that's why I had to pick up a volunteer. I thought someone of you of 201 caliber will start. But everybody was waiting. I don't know whether you were all prepared. That's why I gave some time as well, so that you can prepare your points. So anyway, so that was one. And apart from that, once Kanchana started, the flow happened, right? So Nikita joined in and she gave some information on what do you call the H2 factor and all. So it was good. Like we went back to the school, like H2O and all those things she spoke about. That was all nice to hear. Okay, so she added those kind of a point, and then Sharanya joined in once after that. So Sharanya came in and Sharanya spoke, and then Hafifa also did that, right? And Hafsa also came in, and when she came, she spoke about some good points, right? And once this flow was happening, then you started acknowledging each other. Like Nikita saying, Sharanya, yes, Sharanya, I agree with you. Then Kanchana saying, yes, Nikita, what you're saying is absolutely right. So that's when we got into the flow of the GD, right? So we started picking up, right? So one thing is that when someone is talking, no, that is something where we can wait for that person to talk. And then once our turn comes, then we can talk. So that is something which you all did as well. So that is one. And you are acknowledging other points as well. Yes, what you're saying is absolutely right. So that was all nice to hear. So we came into the flow. And another thing is that there was examples with Sharanya when after a while, no, you were all out of gas. When they say out of gas, no, meaning I don't know whether you wanted to go ahead or not because you completed for everything. So I've looked at the clock. It was not even 10 minutes. So I wanted this to at least go for 10 minutes, right? So I had to come in. I didn't want to come in. So I said, what are the examples you can give? How you can ensure that? So that's where I came in, and then Sharanya picked up. So she gave a story. So this is what it will happen. How can you speak? Right, points is something you can talk about. How can you speak? Now she spoke a very good thing, like how do I waste water every day? Right. So one thing is that, for example, men shave. So when we shave, what happens is that we keep a razor there, and then the water is flowing. What is happening? The tap water is flowing. I'm washing my vessel, for example, maybe women, the water is flowing. Look at how much water is getting for flush in toilet. How much water do you waste just for flushing? Sometimes the leak of the tap. So these are, every drop adds to ocean. These are the things which thoughts could have come, right? Every drop is like an ocean. So this is good. And so Sharanya started well. She started with the tap thing and all. So when you tell a story, when you're telling a story, you can expand the story. How can you talk? So this is for the next GD when we do. Tell a story. Nobody's stopping you. I said this is the entire session is for you only. If you want to speak for 1 hour as well, we can talk because I will be happy to listen to you. So tell a story. Tell how do we waste. Tell a story how people in village suffer. Tell a story, that video as well, where they travel such a long distance to get water. Today we have this resource. If tomorrow it is not there, where we will all go? When we go to another planet, we look for the first important thing, water. Water conservation is, I think Kanchana did say. Some other participants also said. I don't remember who said that. So that is something can be done. Right. So those kind of stories is something which will keep the conversation going as well. And so you can expand that as well. So that is something, a pointer for you, which is a takeaway for you. And so these are the things which you did. So for a first event, good that we started with 201. I have an experience now. I have given this task in all the other batches as well. So I've taken this experience and we can do the same thing there as well. Okay, so fabulous. So as I said, you can all pat your back because you did well. I'm sure next time when we do, you will be able to think on this line and make it a bit longer. I'm expecting at least to go for around 20 minutes. If I say 20 minutes, at least you will do 15 minutes. Okay, so that is one. And so she also said about drip irrigation. So I just wanted to ask you, what is drip irrigation? She explained that as well. So that is something I have to chip in, and she did that. Okay, brilliant. So this task has gone on really well. I'm happy about it. So what we can do is that we will do one lesson today. And do we also have words which we gave yesterday for making sentences? 3 of them or 5 of them? 5 of them. Okay, Panch. So Sharanya, I've got these words, the words which was given yesterday.
Yes, sir. Nikita helped me.
Sorry?
Nikita helped me.
Fabulous, fabulous. Nikita is the one who is like from the participant end. Apart from Rashmi being the coordinator, she's the one who's like connecting. I have someone in each group who does the task. So Nikita is the one for this particular group. Okay. So brilliant. So what I'll do is that I'll quickly run a slide which we have for one today. And afterwards, we'll come back to the word because we need more time because there are 5 words. But the participants are slightly less. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. So let me share the screen with you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so the slide which we can do, the lesson for today would be, of course, writing, right? So this is one aspects of or the facet of the language which is very less used, right? Everybody, right? Anyone today, this is the most very less used one. Why? Because we are not writing much. If we are writing, yes, we are writing office emails and those kind of things as well. That is also fine, but there are many who don't get an opportunity to write anything, right? So this is again very, very important aspect of the language, as I did mention, right? Because this class is more of into the listening and speaking part, because if you see, that's where the focus is. We're not getting too much into the grammar, as let me reiterate again, as I did before in the previous class as well. So that's our focus. I want the participant to be comfortable with this language, talk like something like GD, what we did today, as something like spontaneously, or maybe planned one. Today was a planned one. Spontaneously, I'm asking something, you are responding. So that is what I want these participants to do. That is the objective of this particular training program, where you're able to think on your feet in terms of thinking, and able to understand what's being said and respond. So that is the major objective of this particular training program. But the other facet which we spoke about yesterday, like reading, right? That's also an important part, right? So we emphasize this one, how this is going to be important one, and how loud reading can also help you. So that is something which we spoke yesterday. But apart from the last part of this, the facet is your writing part. So as I mentioned, writing is something which the people generally do very less nowadays, because they don't write, because everything is there on the mobile. So they type everything on the laptop, they type. Writing is something there with a pen and paper, that's not done much, unless and until I did this lesson in another class. 101, one participant said the last time she wrote something was when she had to fill a form, right? So that's how it is. Even for me, it's the same. Maybe I would have written it on the typed something on the laptop. Even that is fine, right? So that brings out to one quick question with all the participants. How often do you write? So let me go to one by one to everyone. Nikita, how often do you write? Do you get the opportunity? On a scale of maybe in a month, how many days do you get an opportunity to write? Could be anything.
I write daily, sir. Because
Fantastic.
After this English course I started, yeah, those words, and when you tell to prepare for something, I note down the points. And even while working, I make down the note. Like if I have any doubt, I'll ask it, clear it, and I'll take note of it.
Okay, fantastic. So your work involves English?
No, sir. Zomato process.
So does it involve writing in English and all?
Yeah, I write in English only. Like if I ask any doubt, like to which menu you have to put. That's it.
Fantastic. Very good to know, Nikita. You have started writing. You're saying that's very, very good thing. They have started writing after this particular program has started, the language program. You have started writing every day. So that's a kind of a change we already see. So that's a great thing to hear, right? Fabulous. Keep continuing, which is very important. As I say, after this program, what happens? That is where your real journey will begin, right? This is somewhere you are able to join us on a daily basis, and you're doing your best as well. That's fine. But what happens beyond this? So that is something which would be very important. So how about Kanchana? If I come to you, the same question which I asked to Nikita.
Even I am writing in this after this session started, but I love to write, sir. If I have pen, I will write something like that.
Fantastic. So if that's a hobby or that's a passion, so let this program trigger that passion, so that you can keep continuing that particular journey and start doing this. See, we have a great activity which is like the vocabulary one, right? So that is the language. So any new thing which comes, keeps writing. And if you love writing, nothing more than that. Fabulous, Kanchana. Fantastic. So if I ask Sharanya's thought on that, Sharanya, same question.
Yes, sir. I
I write daily. I write on daily basis because as I'm working in transcription process, it necessitates me to write daily. So in book, I started writing after this class, but I used to write in that Word document daily.
So work you write daily, that is in English, is it, Sharamya?
Yes, yes, English.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Okay, fabulous. That's good. That's so you're blessed. These kind of a thing, no, when someone have a partner to speak or someone who's able to write regularly, that's a blessing. That's fantastic. And you're writing regularly after this English class. That's also fabulous to hear. Hafifa, the same question to you.
Yes, sir. I write.
Because you are in college, you have to
Student.
write.
Yeah.
Okay. And also after college, don't stop it, Hafifa. Carry on this thing that will an important facet of the language. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Whenever I have pen, same as Kanchana. Whenever I have pen, I write something. I write down something which may be songs or anything, quote or anything which is in my mind. I write it down.
Fabulous. Do you write in English or any other language?
Yeah, English.
Okay.
So that my English skill can be improved.
Okay. When is the last time you wrote a song?
Still now I write. In the previous session, I think I was writing a song in this English session only.
Can you do one thing? Can you bring one of the song and share with us tomorrow? We all will hopefully this is
No,
some.
sir.
Sorry.
Actually, it is not my own. It is not my own song.
Oh, it's not your own song. I thought you were making it.
No, filmy songs.
Okay. Okay.
I write it down.
Okay, good to hear that you're writing. So keep carrying on this journey. That's very important. And as I said, you don't have any choice because you are in college now. So you have to do that. Okay, how about Hafsa? Same question.
Yes, sir, I will write daily as I have the college.
Okay, fabulous one. So keep carrying on the journey. Okay, brilliant. So let's go back to the slides. Let's see what we have got here. As I said, the reading part. Right, so all it says, like Kanchana, Hafifa and others said, is like all you need is a pen and paper. Sometimes you don't need a pen as well. It could be a pencil as well. That is what writing is all about. Okay, so how this is going to help writing is, again, maybe it's not for our thing where we want to speak and understand and all. You might think that this is not that important facet, maybe. But this is something, again, your thought is coming. Like while speaking, what are you doing? You're bringing your thoughts, right? And that thoughts is getting converted into words and then action in terms of speaking. Now, what's happening? Because you have a pen and paper and you are thinking something and you're writing. And this is one beautiful creativity thing which will build up your language. Why? Because you have to think, you have to write. So look at the various facets which is going to get improved. Okay. So if some of you are fortunate enough to do it in a work, great. But now, as Nikita said, because now there's an activity which is involved on a daily basis where you will be building this vocabulary, and that's the only way how you can keep getting better and better, right? And you are also making the sentences. So you're writing that there at the notebook which you have, and you're typing it here in the class as well. So that is a great thing. What we are doing, so that's like building the vocabulary, right? So as I said, look at any new word. Maybe I'm giving you words, it's keeping you occupied. Post which, what will happen is that if you read something, come across new, learn that word. That's very important. And keep this notebook. Don't shed it away or keep it aside. Use this notebook. Regularly write something into that, and also make this. Don't leave the sentence making habit go, right? Use that sentence making. Any new vocabulary, any new word that you find, what you could do is that make sentence of it, right? So that is something a great way, and that's a great skills. So if you want to write something, like Kanchana says she writes, Hafifa says that I thought for a moment that she writes songs of her own, but she said no, she writes some of the song. In any case, it's fine. So you can start small thing, right? It don't have to be big one. There is a saying in English: Rome was not built in a day. If you want to make a note of it, you can make a note of it. These are idioms, right? So it's like in Hindi they say muhavre. I don't know what they say in Kannada, right? Right. So these are idioms. It's like Rome was not built in one day, meaning what? Rome is a great city, right? So it's an ancient city. So they say that it was not built in a day because it took a while to build that. So similarly, our foundation is something. We have a solid foundation. I can see that we have a solid foundation, but to get better and better and better, and somewhere down the line, when you can look back and yourself and see, yes, I was here, I have transited, or I've traveled this far. So that has already happened in this 4 weeks. So this journey can keep on happening. So what I'm saying is that for that to happen, it can be small, tiny steps as well. So small effort will lead you to big thing. Every small drop of water, every drop makes an ocean. That's what they say, right? So these are idioms, good to know idioms, right? So you can pick up something which you like. It could be sports, like she likes, Kanchana said, Dhoni. It could be something else. What do you like songs, Afifa said, or something which interests you, right? So those kind of things you can start writing and see where it leads you. Right, and you never know, because it's like today is an opportunity where everything is there on the web. Tomorrow you can make a blog as well. You might be good at something. The only thing is that you need to articulate that and write it. So you never know. Sky is the limit. You all are young, right? So that is something which you can all think about. Then another thing is that so once you have this. Then this becomes another. This completes your what do you call the language circle, right? The mastery thing which we talked about in one of the slides, right? So because in terms of listening, you are doing something, and then you're speaking, of course, in the language. Then you're reading as and when you get time, and you're doing the writing part as well. So this completes the entire circle, and this will make you an complete package in terms of the language, right? So it will be complete in all the aspects, right? So this is what we have got for today. What we will do is that we will quickly. I'll stop sharing this slide. We have 5 words, so I'll quickly come to you now. So if you can start typing, if you have typed it already, if you have attending from a laptop, then you start pasting that here. So if you paste the sentences, we can start reading one by one. You can type in the chat box, then we will start listening to you. And those who can switch off their camera, please do switch on. Sharanya, when you speak, no, then you can switch off your camera. I think you have net connectivity issue. So other than that, you can keep your camera on. So let's listen you out. I hope you're typing. Type the sentences here. Okay, Kanchana is typing, so I'll wait for all the sentences to come through. Kanchana. Fantastic. So I can see Hafifa has typed. Let's see whether she has typed all the sentence or only one she has typed, I believe. Or how many she has typed? 1 second. Hafifa has typed just one sentence. Hafifa, I believe you're typing more, so I'll come back to you. Then I see Sharanya in the list. Sharanya, your turn now.
Yes, sir. For the word exposure, I caught cold from exposure to the night fog.
Okay, I caught cold from the. I caught cold due to. How about due to? From exposure can become I caught cold due to the exposure to the night fog. Can we do that like that?
Yes.
Okay, seems better now. Okay, so the sentence looks posh now. Sentence looks better. Rather from exposure to the exposure. Okay, fine. Next one.
For the word aspect, how and what you choose to eat affects many aspects of your health.
Absolutely. How and what you choose to eat affects many aspects of your health. Fantastic. Very good. What's the next one?
For the word reiterate, teachers always reiterate the most important points in the class.
Absolutely. It is reiterate. Okay. So reiterate. That's the way. And always pronunciation is there. And so you know this word, and if you pronounce it well, everybody, it goes for everybody. For me also, I might come across some new word I may not know how to pronounce. Then I can always go for the Google and see how it's properly pronounced, and then you can use it with style and panache as well. So that is there. Fantastic one. What's the next one, Sharanya?
And for the word nexus, mobile phone is the nexus of this generation.
Mobile phone is the nexus of this generation. How about this, like this? The nexus between mobile phone and this generation cannot be broken. Can we make like that? Nexus is like two things has to be linked. Mobile phone is nexus of this generation. So how you're linking the nexus between this generation and mobile phone is inseparable or something like that. Can we think something like that, Sharanya? You understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Your volume is very low. I don't know what is the reason. Usually it's a little bit loud. Okay. So I believe you got my feedback. So a brilliant one. Very good, Sharanya. I think you are completed now, I believe. So I go upon to Nikita. Nikita, please. Yours.
Nexus. There is a complex nexus of nerves in our body.
Okay, there is complex nexus of nerves in our body. Fantastic, yes.
Exposure, overexposure to sunlight causes sunburn.
Fantastic one, brilliant.
Aspect, beach is my favorite aspect of this place.
Fantastic, very good. Next one.
Reiterate, you always reiterate anything when we ask you the doubts.
Okay, fantastic. Who is this? You?
User.
Okay, I thought so. Okay, what's the next one?
Abruptly, she stopped her work abruptly.
Fantastic one, Nikita. Let me tell you something. When we tell a new word, try and make the sentence here itself quickly. I think we have reached the stage where you can do that. So it may not be your homework also. You can finish in the class as well and come and read it tomorrow. Fantastic, Nikita. You kept all words simple. And one beauty thing about English is that if you keep it simple, it's like they say KISS, keep it short and simple. So that is something which you followed with your sentences today. Fabulous one. So I'm ready to go to Hafifa now. Hafifa, I have one sentence on top and then I think few below. So let's start with your aspect.
Aspect. It is human tendency to behave differently in different aspects of life.
It's human tendency to behave differently in different aspects of life. Fantastic. Yes, brilliant. What's the next one?
Then reiterate.
Okay.
Ma'am reiterated the last question so many times that I even forgot what was the answer for that question in the exam hall.
This is very cheeky and funny, Hafifa. You brought a smile on my face. I can't see others' face now, so hopefully everybody smile. Have a smile as well. Fantastic one. Really good. Yes. What's the next one?
Next one is nexus.
Mm-hmm.
A never-ending nexus in her family relation.
Never-ending nexus in a family relation. Okay. You left abruptly.
Yeah, abruptly. She stood so abruptly in the middle of concert that everyone got scared of her at once.
Okay. That was good as well. What's the last one?
Exposure.
Mm-hmm.
His exposure towards life's difficulties is quite impressive.
Okay, his exposure towards life difficulty is quite impressive. Okay, fantastic. Fabulous one. Okay, what is Hafsa got for us?
First one, reiterate. Because of network issues, I make you to reiterate my name again and again.
Because of network issue, I make you reiterate my name again and again. Okay, but we know your name already. So I believe the you is me again, or I don't know. Anyway, yes, very good, Hafsa. What's the next one?
Life is based on the aspect that with which we will look into it.
Fantastic. This is a very meaningful, very deep thought. Life is based on the aspect that with which we look into. Yeah, fabulous one. What's the next one?
Exposure to the sun will make us to feel tired.
Absolutely, it will. Fabulous one. Very good.
She's trying to abrupt the topic.
She is trying to abrupt the topic. She is trying to abruptly. This can change. She is trying to abrupt. Abrupt is suddenly. She is trying to suddenly the topic. No, it may not happen. Right? She is trying to abruptly stop the discussion on the topic. Will that be better?
Change the topic.
Abruptly. She's trying to abruptly change the topic. Yeah, that's also fabulous. So that way you can do that. Okay. So that change is required here for this particular sentence. What's the next one?
The nexus between the teacher and student is amazing one.
The nexus between the teacher and the student is amazing one. Fabulous. Fabulous one. Great. So I think this completes the task, I believe. Right. So, so this is fabulous. So what I'm thinking is that I will not give any words today. I'm thinking I'll give you some words in the class itself. So, so that is something we can do from this particular class. Can we all have a camera switched on? Those who can. Otherwise, it talks like I'm talking to my laptop. So those who have, okay, the regulars, please. Okay, then it becomes very dull as well, and we are recording this session as well. So this becomes what do you call? At least I understand Hafsa and Hafifa. Others can definitely, because they have issues. Okay, brilliant. So what I'll do is that this is 9:30 at this point of time. So we're going to log off. Before I log off, I'll give you some sentences to make in the class itself. Let's do as an activity. We will have some time. So this is something we are doing on our feet. So let's see, because we will get into that stage. So we will have some very nice 5 interesting words which I'll come up with. I'll give it to all of you. I'll give some time as well. So let's do these kind of activities in this class. So we are at the stage where we will do something, think out of the box, do something different on an everyday basis. And brilliant. So GD was good. So as I said, so fabulous. We will do this activity again one more time. And then next week we'll also do role plays. So that is something we will do. Okay. So brilliant. So it was a great session today again. And I'm sure you all enjoyed as well. And we'll look forward to see you again. So wish you all a good evening. Bye for now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, Kanchana. Bye.